Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina, and today I want to put together an envelope journal. The one I originally shown in the beginning of my ephemera series is this one, and it's technically not glued down yet. I was going to wait till I was done creating a bunch of ephemera before I put it together. But this time I think I'm going to go ahead and put my envelope journal together and then add the ephemera. Now I only picked 4 envelopes because I want this to be a Christmas journal, and there's just not a whole lot of time left for Christmas, so I thought let's just keep this one short and simple and not have too many pages to worry about. And I think I'm actually going to put this one together differently than how I put the larger one together. I was messing around trying to work with the envelopes the other night, and this is what I came up with. Okay. So you take 2 envelopes, open them up, flip one over, and slide the envelope flap into the other envelope. Okay. Now, oops, I didn't quite make it. On this one, I want to slide both flaps into each other's envelope so that it looks like this. And that's actually not how the other one is done, but I thought, I don't know, I thought that was kind of neat. Now we'll do these. So you have your envelopes, okay, point their flaps toward each other, flip one over and slide it in, and make sure the other side is sliding into the other envelope on the back. And it can be kind of tricky at first. I know it looked like these slid right in, but when I was first doing it, it took me a little bit to, you know, to get the back part in. But keep working with it. You'll be able to get it. And it will naturally want to, at least mine did, naturally wanted to fold in one direction more so than the other. So I just kind of let it do, you know, its thing. I let it go, I let it bend the way it wanted to bend. And let's see, this one's, oh, like this. Okay, so now we have them together. And I think I want to keep this pocket open. So I think all I'm going to do is just to tape the inside down. As you can see the flap? I want to put a little piece of tape right here just so that, you know, they stick together. Okay. Now I was debating if I should go ahead and make it flush together or if I should leave a little bit of a space. You know, presuming we're going to add maybe pockets or ephemera, and I don't know how thick it's going to be at this point, but you know, I do want to at least kind of be able to close when we're all done. So I may try to leave just a little gap. So this is all the way flush where the 2 sides meet, but I think I'm going to pull them apart just a little bit. Oops. And then tape them. And the trick here is to try to pull them out straight so that you're not like cockeyed. You know, you're not pulling it in an awkward angle. And that actually is a little bit tricky. Let's try this one. Alright, so pull it apart just a little bit. I mean, it really is just a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to try to hold that down, spin it around, hopefully without it moving. Oops, I have a feeling like it moved. This might be kind of tricky. Okay. See if I can tape it sideways. Okay, I think that got it. Let's tape the other one as well. Oh, let's see. Okay. there we go. There. There we go. All right, that's one done. Let's do the other one. Okay, let's see. Yep. Okay, it did, well, yeah, barely pulled apart. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's that. What I don't want is one side to be pulled out and the other one not, because that'll make my paper crooked. So, let's see here. Okay. Okay, there's that side. One more side. Okay. All right. Now our envelopes are together. Okay. Now I'm going to cover them in this video. I'm going to go ahead and cover them with paper and just get everything kind of prepped and ready to begin adding the ephemera. So let's do that now. Okay, here I've cut some papers, and they came from Old World Winter cardstock. It's a paper book from the Paper Studio. I'll let you see that number. Okay, this has become my favorite card pack. I just love it. And so I'm going to just start adhering the pieces onto my envelopes. Now I did cut them just to be slightly smaller than the envelope itself. It's funny because at first I had them as one long piece and I was just going to adhere them, you know, all the way around it and all the way inside it. But the way I'm going to put it together, I'm not going to put it together like this. I'm going to just put them together like this. And I've cut some, like a cover out of hard cardstock. I'm sorry, heavy cardstock. And at the end, when we're done filling them, we'll see how thick it is. And I'll put them together like this and then adhere it with a piece of cloth. So that's my plan. I thought, you know, I just want to have different papers on different pages, so I just thought it was best if I cut it. To put them on, I'm just going to use the Art Glitter Glue. You know that's my favorite glue now. Well, that wasn't perfect. That's okay. This stuff dries and really tacks quickly. Has a quick grab to it, which for the most part is really good and handy, but sometimes you want a little bit more time to move things around and you don't have it. So let's see. As you can see, I got thinking, I didn't think I wanted to cover up all of the pockets. I might want to use that. So I went ahead and just kind of winged it and cut this one to allow for the pocket to be open. And I think I like that. I know I've already closed one of the pockets off, but that's okay. I might do that for the remainder of the pockets, or at least like one more, to be able to use it. Now I was planning to edge everything when I was finished, but since this is going to be in, it's going to be difficult to edge. I think I'll go ahead and do that on this one. I was just going to do the inside part, but you know, once you get edging, it's hard to stop. I'm sorry if you hear that fan blowing. Our heat came on and it was blowing my blinds. That's why you kept seeing the sun pop through. But I thought that was kind of annoying, so I closed it. And now it's making a funny noise. Okay, so let's tack this one on now. All right, there we go. What do you think? You know, that was the first one I did, and my guesstimation cut was much better than the ones I did after that. Yeah, this one, yeah. So yeah, I was really good on this one. Oh well. I'm hoping there'll be plenty going on that people, you know, that type of little boo-boo is not going to show. I got so caught up in the excitement of putting it together, I totally forgot to edge my other one. But anyway, I did figure out how to do it. Thankfully, since it's an envelope, I could just pop it open, and that made it really easy to edge. So, whew, I caught a break there. But I think I will go ahead and just edge the rest now that everything's put on. And that way that step will be done. And our little book will be completely ready for us to add ephemera and decorate. Okay, we're all done. All of the edging is done, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, our little envelope journal is partly put together and is ready to be decorated and adorned and ephemeraed. So We're just about ready to get started with the fun part. That's it for today. I hope you're as excited as I am about seeing how this is going to look when it's all done. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.